Hello friends, welcome to HTML tutorial series. I double click on default.html page. I right click on default.html page, open with the notepad. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss align and valign attributes with respect to table row, with respect to table cell. Let's begin. First, I am going to use here align attribute, align, align in double quotation. I can give left, right, center, left, left. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that table is already aligned to the left. Let me give here center, center, file, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that the table is aligned to the center of the browser window. If I increase the browser width, you can see that table still stays at the center. So that is the work of align center. Similarly, if I say here right, 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 align right, file, save, go to browser, refresh, table will get aligned to the left of the browser window. Actually, it floats the table to the right, you can think like that. So hope you guys have understood how align attribute works with respect to table. Let's go to table row and understand how it affects to the table row. I add an attribute to the first table row. Here we have a first table row. There I say align, align. In double quotation I say center, center. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Let me copy this align center from here and I paste here for the first row. Control V. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that the text in the table row is aligned the center. Complete all text in all cells are going to be aligned to the center. I can copy this align and paste it to the next, which is this. I say instead of align center, I say align left. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that even two text got aligned to the left. All content in all cells of that row are aligned to the left. Hope you guys are understanding how align works in the table row. Control V, align, I say RIGHT, right, file, save, go to browser, refresh, content in that complete row aligned to the right. So you can use left, right and center for aligning the text. Let me talk about valign, how it works. Valign is actually used for aligning vertically. Vertical alignment is by default, you can see set to center. I can say here top, file, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that text moved to top in that row. If I say bottom, 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 file, save, go to browser, refresh, text is now aligned vertically bottom to the cell. If I say here MIDDLE, middle, file, save, go to browser, refresh, text is in the middle. Vertically it is aligned middle. Hope you guys are understanding how the align attribute and valign attribute works on a row. Similarly, you can use the align and valign in the table cells also. Take an example. I have here Ronald text and I want to align it bottom. Then I can say here valign, align. In double quotation I can say BOTTOM, bottom. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that the Ronald text is aligned to the bottom. You can use align and valign in table data, table row. Hope you guys have understood how align attribute works with respect to the table, with respect to the row, with respect to the table cell, and hope you guys have understood how valign attribute works with respect to the table row and table cells. So remember that align attribute, if you are using with respect to the table, it takes values left, right, center. If it is left, the table will be aligned to the left. If it is center, table will be aligned to the center of the browser window. If it is right, then the table is aligned to the right of the browser window. The same align attribute, if you are using with the table row or a table data, it affects to the text, not to the table or a table cell. It aligns the text in the table cell or a table row to the left right or a center. Similarly, V-align stands for vertical align. It takes three values, top, middle and bottom. V-align affects to the text. That means it puts the text either at the top or at the middle or at the bottom of the cell. For this tutorial, this much is enough, friends. Experiment yourself more. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next tutorial. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing.